Shako Mako, everyone. Today's video is not something creative. It's something that's almost every YouTuber have done. I'm probably the only one who haven't done it yet. It's what's in your pocket or what's your everyday carry-on. So basically it's the stuff that you must have before you leave the house. Actually, I forgot one thing. It's my car keys. I forgot to add it to the list. So I'm probably not gonna add it now, but my car keys, it's a must-have before I leave the house. So just count it there when you watch the video. Let's take a look.